presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, bright grille wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum bright front bumper, quick order package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman package, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, wheels, 17x7 aluminum, tires, P265/70R17 BSW as, STD, and carpet floor covering. If you are looking